And now you have 4 parking tickets.
Are you talking about the most recent one? The one on 11-1?
On the Nissan.
Yeah, the one on 11-1, I went to Social Security because they had cut my check. Because my son was recently killed last year. So they cut my check because he had owed money.
Who?
My son was killed March of last year, right? So I was his rep payee. So they took my money because he had owed money. So I had to go to Social Security to fix that matter. When I came out, I had a ticket.
You know, the horrific story that you just told us relative to your son. I don't think anyone in their lifetime would ever want to experience that. So
It's the worst feeling in the world. I feel so empty.
I'm going to reduce this to $50. How much time do you need to pay it?
I have it on me now.
All right. That's not going to leave you without any money, is it?
I'll leave it with $5. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm not going to leave you with $5. I'm not going to leave you. I'm going to dismiss everything.
Thank you.
All right. With our best wishes and hope that things turn around good for you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
I get letters every day. People sending me letters saying, please continue to treat people with understanding and compassion. And many people, because of my treatment of people who come before my court, send money to my court saying, please, use this to help someone else. I have a letter from a woman named Angie Chesser. And she said, I got a small bonus from where I work, and I would like to donate $100 to help somebody else. And she actually sent cash. So we're going to use this to help pay for your fine. What do you say about that?
I'm speechless.
It says that there were an awful lot of kind,
Thank you.
wonderful people in life. Many times, even though I am helping people, the city is still getting money. Because I have people from all over the world. I have people from Iraq who sent money, people from France, from Italy, from China, from Russia, all over the world, and the United States. Send in checks saying, please use this to help someone else. So we have touched the heart of people all over the world. $32. $32. My father was an immigrant from Italy. We were very poor. We had very little material things. But we had a great deal of love in our house. And my dad's vision was always that life would be better for his children. Maybe I climbed the ladder of success. It is not enough to climb the ladder of success. The key is to leave the ladder down so that others can climb the ladder